Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your PayPal account number. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, just open up the PayPal application. Now every PayPal account acts sort of like a bank account as well. You have a routing number in addition to an account number. So to find it on the app, you can just tap on finance at the bottom left and you will be able to see their account number. I can tap on this little I to reveal what it is and the routing number right below that. I can tap on this more details to get more information about my account number, my routing number and various things like direct deposit, all of that. Now that is on the app itself. Let's open up the web browser and I am logged into the same PayPal account. On here you will see reload, phone offers, savings and you should see that more button. Tap on these three dots where it says more and on here we are going to find direct deposit. So it says go to direct deposit or it might say set up direct deposit. You are going to tap on direct deposit. Now I don't have this currently set up, but it shows you your account number and your routing number so that you could set up that direct deposit if you wanted to. Of course, to reveal what the account number is, you can tap the little I icon or just hit copy and you can copy your PayPal account number. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to find my PayPal account number. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.